At Bosch, we write industrial history, chock full of engineering savvy, groundbreaking ideas, and revolutionary innovations since 1886. Bosch started small, but has always had big plans. Technology invented for life. It's our motivation and our passion to this day. We build on a solid foundation of values, operate with entrepreneurial autonomy, and plan for the long term. We set ourselves the highest standards and deliver outstanding results. Our associates develop and produce cutting-edge technologies for mobility, manufacturing, energy and building, and residential. On every continent. Bosch is a pioneer, boldly blazing new trails, yesterday, today, tomorrow. We automate, electrify, digitize, connect, with the aim of sparking our customers' enthusiasm, improving quality of life, and protecting the climate and environment. A leading technology company, a responsible employer, a reliably strong partner. Bosch,